Today, we get to experience one very cool thing, the desert. We're near Quartzsite, Arizona, and we are going to do some exploring. There's some amazing and cool things to see out here. There's a couple of caves we're going to check out. The saguaro cactus are surrounding us. That's just beautiful. It's a beautiful day in what, low 60s?
Yeah.
I mean, it's just gorgeous. We're going to look for some crystals. They're everywhere here. Rumor has it there's some gold out here too. Never know what you're going to find. So there's so many things to see and do. The operative word here, do. That's why we're coming out here, because it's such a cool experience to be able to do it. You see it, get your juices going, you want to go do it, and that's why we're doing this.
Looking for crystals.
Check out the vein
I know, it's so cool.
of quartz. I suppose that is that.
I don't know, maybe. Probably.
We'll have to ask an expert, huh?
Looks like crystals.
Sure enough. What does it look like to you?
This one kind of looks. This one looks like mustard.
Mm-hmm.
And this one, it kind of just looks shimmery, and it looks like marble but different colors.
A little bit like a cherry rock candy or something.
Big crystal.
Not big, but it's a real nice one. Oh, here's another one. Oh my goodness.
We're also finding not just rocks, we're finding big old holes in the ground too. Check this out. This is an old mine shaft. I'm not sure how far down it goes, but there's lots of different mine shafts that you have to be careful for, but they're also cool to look at from a distance. They're marked off. Check that out. Nice. What is the green? Tourmaline?
Turquoise.
Well, it's
Chrysocolla.
Chrysocolla.
It's a form of copper.
Oh,
Like a
cool.
perfect cube.
That's cool.
So tell me what that is.
Lamanite. We couldn't never remember the geological name, so we called it a square Tootsie Roll.
Oh.
You found it?
No.
Kevin did.
Oh. And they come in all different sizes.
Oh, there's Dad. He's low.
He's whoa. This is pretty rough.
Yeah.
Or do you want that, Kevin?
He's way up there.
Yeah.
There.
Okay. Yep.
It's the pinky digits.
I am going up.
Go!
And-
Go! Trying to and not fall down my face.
They are struggling.
They are struggling.
My bear crawl.
Oh! Wow, this is steep.
Yes, it is.
There's another flower.
Woo! Okay, keep going. Ooh, I need some better shoes.
Wow. I'm glad I wear my hiking shoes. These are handy. dandy.
Ah.
Eee! Here's the cave. Look at how cool that looks. Now we have to watch out for snakes. There's probably stuff in there. What's your rate about that mountain?
What's my rate?
Of how hard it was?
Oh, not that bad. Where's the vein?
Oh.
Comes all the way
We're
down.
like in a geode. Get up in there. Clear way up in there. It's like a big giant geode. Pretty cool, huh?
There's a lot along
Ooh,
this.
Mom, look at all this quartz.
Yeah. What? She literally went tap, tap, tap and pulled that out.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Is it nice? Oh, yeah. You got a good one. There went another one right there.
Excuse me, coming down.
Right where?
Right here. Over here.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
Is that
Yep.
a good one?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Nelly, I think I found one. What's this?
That's probably the one I knocked down. That's the one. No, maybe not. It's a crystal. Faux show. Nope, there's no snake up in there. If there was a snake, it's long gone. One of the things that you may not realize, often we think of the desert as just being brown, dry, which on one level is true, but the plant life out here is stunning. When you can get out, even from the road, it's impressive, but when you get out here and you see it close up, it's stunning. This is, I believe, a Palo Verde tree, and often you'll find a Palo Verde tree with a saguaro cactus next to it, because the Palo Verde provides protection for the saguaro when it's little and allows it to grow. And the saguaros, I'm not an expert, but they are just so beautiful. They're stunning and they grow so slowly. They're protected. And I'm sure you've seen some in the video out here. They're all around us. They're just, you need to see them. You need to come see them in person.
It's kind of like dusty. It just feels like it has a little layer of flour on it.
Majestic.
Like baking flour.
It's pretty cool, actually. Clearly, it fell here and it's been decomposing,
I think it
providing shelter.
So exploring the desert does not come without its risks. Just got to be careful. There are lots of stickers and pointy, long, sharp, needle-type plants. So you kind of have to be careful that you don't get this. This actually, it doesn't hurt really. It just kind of got me. It'll come out easily, but you definitely have to be careful. It's worth it.
Yeah, the flowers, there's some blooming right now. It's not, I wouldn't call it a super bloom here, but I mean, I'm just looking right here. I can see yellow, I can see purple, there's red, and of course there's green that you don't really think about in the desert, but there's green all around us right now. Desert beauty is different.
That tiny splash of color coming out of that cactus.